X-Racer Creation Kit offers a new and exciting way for 3D printing enthusiasts and toy lovers to engage with creative projects. In this video, we'll unlock the fun of 3D printing racer. Let's get started. Take a look at the box. On the cover, you'll see 4 cards, each representing a different type of car. Below that, you'll find the instructions. To access all the necessary parts, you'll need the Xmaker app. If you don't have the app yet, simply scan the QR code to download the 3D models and get ready to print. In the Xmaker app, navigate to the Kit category. Here, you'll find models starting with X-Racer. There are 10 models in total, organized by different chassis and wheels to match the 4 racers shown on the box cover. Type on the picture to see more details. These reference images will be very helpful during assembly. Now it's time to prepare the 3D prints. Ensure you print all the necessary components shown here. The highlighted part indicates the one that will be printed. You can customize the colors by changing the filament before printing. Check out the filament replace video for guidance. Using markers to color the parts after printing is also a good choice. You can follow the same steps to view and print other models. If you are using a tablet or laptop, you can also find the kit to print the parts. Once your prints are ready, gather all the necessary components, including the kit. Click this picture, you can purchase Creation Kit. Refer to the assembly instructions. Organize everything properly and start assembling. The assembly instructions are also available in the Explore Manual X-Racer Manual section of the app. In the Explore Fun Custom 3D Racer, you'll find the detailed assembly instruction videos for the 4 types of racers. Install the battery in the racer. Use the 6F22 lithium or alkaline battery. Avoid using carbon batteries. If needed, double-sided tape can be used to secure the battery in place. After assembly, it's time to play. Here's how to use the remote control. Switch on both the racer and the remote. A flashing blue light indicates that the racer and the remote are not connected. Rotate the wheel to establish the connection. Once connected, the blue light will turn solid. Push the trigger to make it move forward. Pull the trigger to make the racer reverse. Rotate the wheel to the right or left to make the racer turn in that direction. Now let's give it a try. The process of creating and assembling is not only therapeutic and stress relieving, but it also helps develop an awareness of both the whole and its parts. We hope you enjoy your custom 3D printed racer. Bye!